Yeah, doing the day, amen. So, right, I'm like being stuck by, I said with the airplanes and everything again, too, amen. Like, they'll even follow me to the grocery store. I had to take my daughter, amen. Ooh. She had to go for a physical for school for next year, amen. And, when I was sitting outside of the place, the doctor's office, the airplanes were flying over top of the building I was in. Like these things, these people follow me everywhere, to the grocery store, to the doctor's office, in their airplane, in their vehicles. Like, this is day, all day, all night, every day and night, amen. I don't know. On foot, on bicycle, in vehicles, airplanes, helicopters, drones, amen. These people have no life. And these people's life is really weird, amen. I don't know. All right, y'all, amen. You have a blessed day.